Hello everyone. In this session, we have to solve a puzzle problem with heuristics. So, this problem comes under the state space problem. Before starting this session, I tell you friends, in last session, I explained how to solve a puzzle problem without heuristics. This example also comes under state space problem. So, what is state space problem? State space means we have two states. One is initial state and second is goal states. We have create rules and moves to transfer our initial state to goal states. So now we can start our session. In this problem, we can see we have two states. One is initial state and second is goal states. In this problem, we can generate moves to transfer our initial state to goal states. In this problem, we can see we have only one blank space or empty space. So we can apply a legal move on this empty space. So what is legal move? That means we can transfer empty space in left side, right side, up side or down sides. Here we have see figure 1. You can consider red mark is empty space. So we have 4 empty space in different location. So here we can find out legal move for this empty space. If we consider digit 1 is empty space, so it can move only downside and right sides. If we consider digit 3 is empty space, so we have moved left side and downside. If we consider 7 is empty space, so we have legal moves is right sides and upside. If we consider 9 is empty space, so we have legal move is left side, upside. So here we can find out only two legal move for this 4 empty space. Next for figure 2, we can see in figure 2 has also 4 empty space. Note that red mark digit is considered empty space. So we can find legal move for that. If we have considered digit 2 is empty space, so it can move only downside, right side, left side. Okay. So if we consider digit 4 has empty space, so we can move downside, upside, right side. If we consider digit 6 is empty space, so we can move downside, upside, left side. If we consider 8 is empty space, so we can move upside, right side, left side. So here we can find out only 3 legal move for this 4 empty space. Figure 3, we can see only one empty space. Consider digit 5 is empty space. So we have 4 legal move. For that, move is left side, right side, upside, downside. So I hope you can find out legal move for the empty space. Now we can find which method is used to achieve a goal state. So now we can see how to solve a puzzle problem with heuristic. It's also called informed search that include base first search, hill climbing, A-star algorithm. So what is heuristics? Heuristics means we can find out quick solution in minimum time. For that, first we can find out heuristics value. So here in this problem, we have compare initial state to goal state and find out misplaced digit. So that misplaced digit is called heuristics value. So in this initial state has 3 misplaced digit, and that digit is 4, 5, 8. So its heuristics value is 3. We can take another example. So it is understood why. So in this example, we have C, 4 digit has misplaced, and that digit is 1, 4, 5, 8. So its heuristic value is 4. So I hope you can find out heuristic value. Now we can start the example how to solve 8 puzzle problem with heuristics. So here we have initial state and goal states. With the help of legal move which is upside, downside, left side, right side, and with the heuristic value we can solve this problem. So here we can start with initial states. We can expand our initial state. So first we can apply upside move. So we can replace 1 and empty space. Now we can apply right side move. So we can replace 4 and empty space. Now we can apply downside move. So we can replace 7 and empty space. Now we can find our heuristics value. We can start for the left side. So we can compare a new initial state to goal state. So we can say 4 value is misplaced, and that value is 1, 4, 5, 8. So heuristic value is 4. Similarly, we can find out next to new initial state. So we can see that heuristic value is 2 and 4. Now we can consider minimum heuristic value and expand the state. So middle state has minimum heuristics value. So we can expand that. So for that we can apply our first move, and that is upside move. So we can replace 2 and empty state. Sorry, empty space. Next move is downside move. So we can replace 5 and empty space. Next move is right side move. So we can replace 6 and empty space. Next move is left side move. So we can replace 4 and empty space. Now we can find out heuristic value. We can start for the left side. So we have heuristic value 3 for the first initial states. We have heuristic value 1 for the second initial states. We have heuristic value 3 for the third initial states, and we have heuristic value 3 for the fourth initial states. Now we can find out minimum heuristic value, and it is 1. So we can expand it. First we can apply right side move. So we can replace 8 and empty space. Now we can apply left side move. So we can replace 7 and empty space. Now we can apply upside move. So we can replace 5 and empty space. Now we can say this way we have find our goal states. So here we can solve our 8 puzzle problem with heuristic. So thank you friends watching this video. I hope you can solve 8 puzzle problem with heuristic.